with the states. Similarly, luxury tax. And I think the worst victims of this are the transport sector people, where for taking people from one state to another, you have to be at those checkposts and not the tollways, but the state toll gates. We have been advocating seamless travel for years. There is a success story in the Golden Triangle between Jaipur, Agra and Delhi, where 3 states are involved. It's Delhi Union, the state of Delhi, and then the state of Rajasthan, and then the state of UP. And recently some initiatives have been taken by UP. I was delighted that some good initiatives have been taken by UP just about a month ago. Because UP has this peculiar problem that they form part of the NCR, the National Capital Region, Noida and Greater Noida. Then you have Faridabad, then you have Gurgaon. And the Gurgaon, Faridabad are Haryana. And then Rajasthan is also touching the borders now. So the NCR, the National Capital Region, now finally some, if I may say, wisdom is coming and these things are being rationalized. But these are issues which definitely very adversely impinge upon the tour. And there's no discrimination. You see, a person, when he wants to choose a hotel or a motel or a bed and breakfast or a homestay, has a choice. Nobody is forcing anybody to go to a particular place. It will depend upon a host of factors: distance, affordability, conveniences. Some people, for example, will say, we only stay in brand X. Somebody will say, brand doesn't matter to me, I can stay anywhere where I get the comfort, whatever it is. So there's no discrimination in that sense. It's a question of customer preference. I think Mr. Barot wants to come to the final part of the program because maybe he feels that people have had enough of me.
No, sir, that's not the question. It's to be respectable as Indians to the foreigners, to say we have schedules and we stick to the schedules and we make sure that we get our agenda before the schedule goes out of hand. So you'll be happy to note, yesterday we were able to complete our sessions half an hour before the scheduled time. So that's the
I hope it was not because people went off to the beach.
So that was the attraction to Goa. Friends, it gives me great pleasure to give you this insight. I had a 10 minutes meeting with Mr. R.H. Khwaja in Mumbai when he was at the Trident, and I just asked him, I said, sir, we have for the first time 5 international associations come together at this one forum. They don't meet each other internationally as much as they have interacted over here for the last 3, 4, 5 days that they've been here, and it was gracious enough for the FHRAI to have their executive committee meeting here. He just gave me one clue and he said, why don't you execute certain MOUs between them and you at this convention? And that is what we are going to do next. We are going to sign MOUs with FHRAI to begin with, the HFTP, the Asian American Hotel Association, and we're going to sign re-sign the AHLA agreement that we'd signed 2 years back. Before the signing, I will only request the member over here who's present from Southern India. It's his birthday today, and the incoming president is very gracious enough to call him on the stage and have him wished a very happy birthday, because it's Mr. Keshav Murthy, and it's his 82nd birthday, and he's been participating, 83rd birthday, and he's participating in the convention on a birthday. Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, that wonderful note, It's time to put our hands together for our Honorable Tourism Secretary and our panelists. And I'll request Mr. Kamlesh Barot, President FHRAI,